This was the woolly mammoth, a giant that once thundered across frozen plains, carrying entire ecosystems on its back. It fed the wolves, the eagles, even the soil itself. And for tens of thousands of years, nothing could challenge it. Then, in the blink of an evolutionary eye, the ice melted, the grasslands shrank, and humans arrived with sharp weapons and hungrier stomachs. One by one, they fell. The last stood alone, surrounded by silence where her herd once roared. And here's the twist. Scientists say we might see her walk again, not in memory, but in flesh.